To a TVJ News update now. The Minister of National Security says additional costs may face the organizers of big events as part of efforts to keep patrons safe. It comes after 4 people were shot at 2 separate entertainment events just days apart. Details from Nakinski Robinson.
We have seen some elegant trend, and we are going to work to. We're not going to allow it. Criminals to disrupt our entertainment.
The little trend the minister is referring to involves the shooting of a woman at a party by her boyfriend in St. Elizabeth and the shooting of 3 people at an after-carnival event in St. Andrew last week. Dr. Horace Chang says planning has started to keep entertainment events safe, but that may come at an extra cost to party promoters.
The police will be meeting and instructing, especially in large events, the proper operation must be put in place to protect the event. We're not stopping them, but it's established once it, the FLA has the armored vehicle, will come. Must be part of the cost for those big events. The police will be there to act because we are working jointly with the citizens and the police and the other agencies to ensure there's peace and protect our people.
But what would this mean for smaller events where promoters have much smaller budgets?
In the smaller ones, it is sometimes tricky. But it is the policy of the police not to stop the round robins and the wakes, etc. But they must also understand that large part of the success of the police force is sheer intelligence. And we know when they are about to damage somebody's party. Sometimes we have to stop them. We can't tell them, but it is a fact of life and you have to understand. There are many years having parties, but sometimes, you hear things happen.
The National Security Minister was speaking in Gordon House Tuesday during his contribution to the sectoral debate. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.